This is the shelving unit by Plano. This thing is pretty crazy because it's plastic. It takes literally seconds to put together, and this thing can withstand 200 pounds. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 shelving units. It's perfect for garages, closets, anywhere at all. But look at this. I want to show you the fourth and how easy it is to install. Let me put it down here because it's getting high, which is the whole point. You literally just bring it down. There's no, I mean, that's the only assembly. There's no tools required, nothing like that. All you need to do is put all of those PVC pipes down, and then that is it for that. Look at that, super simple. Go and align this one, go and align that one, and the last one, done. Very, very easy to carry around because it is light, although light, but super strong and solid. I love this thing because you can obviously put it up really, really quickly, use it, and if you're done with it, or if you're moving or anything like that, you can just bring it down, put it up, take it apart, and you're done and good to go. Love the fact that you can also have this unit, for example, and Plano has different units with different kind of numbers of shelves, but this I can make two different ones of two kind of like stages, which is nice. I don't have to just have one compartment like this. But yeah, very, very sturdy. I love the fact that it can withstand a lot. So it's perfect for all your storage needs all over your house.